Evening guys, we've came to the Enchanted Forest again at Pitlochry, and as you can see, Natalie's wearing these stupid glasses again.
You think they're stupid, but I think they're amazing and I wish I could wear them all year round.
So just on the ground here we've got some of the constellations. I missed some of them back there because there was just quite a few people, but they're pretty cool. And as you can see in the distance here, this year, this year's theme is the cosmos. So we're hopefully going to see the stars and the moon and all that stuff. And just looking to my left there, it looks brilliant. Just check out the overview of the forest here. How amazing does that look? So just as we basically enter the Enchanted Forest, to the left hand side here we've got the Geodome. And I think kids can go in here and get stories read or something. Yeah, and then just to the right here is the wee food hall. You get some pizzas and stuff and it looks cracking. And I think just past the food hall here they've actually got like wood burning stoves and all that you can get. We've never actually had any of the pizzas in, so I don't know what they're like.
It seems fun.
It does seem fun. So the first thing we come to around here on the trail is the moon. How amazing is that? And in the background of the moon is the earth. And the reflection in the water's just so cool, isn't it, Natalie?
I love it.
We'll go closer and we'll get a wee view of the earth as well as the moon. How amazing does this look close up? Just looks like a massive football. And then we've got the earth in the background here. So cool. So we've got the earth here and we've got all the stars below it. It looks absolutely amazing, right off into the forest there. And then you can see the earth here and the moon in the background. How amazing, the stars just going off out in the background into the forest. It's so cool. I mean, this thing is absolutely amazing. You can see the earth and the moon there together, the stars lighting up. I really like this. And just the atmosphere and everything around here is so cool. What do you think of this bit so far, Natalie?
I love it.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Stars and space and everything.
Aye, it's so cool. I mean, I feel as if I could just grab that earth and lift it up with that light. Guys, how amazing is the woods? Look at that, just over the water there. Looks so good. Looks like we're just about to come into landing number 2 or area number 2, whatever you want to call it. Some cool lights up in the trees. On the satellite. Oh, forgot to get a satellite there, guys. Just a wee satellite in the trees.
I feel like this is like E.T.
Aye, I was saying it was a wee light show or something in the trees, but I wasn't too sure what it was.
I feel like E.T.
Like E.T. Oh.
You're like in the queue for the rides at Universal.
Uh-huh. I got a wee fright there. Did you get a wee fright?
I did.
This is definitely like an ET stroke shooting stars type thing. Right guys, how amazing is the colour on these trees? Might not show up right, but it's like a pinky, greeny, and there's a wee bit of yellow in there. And then you get pink and yellow up here, just looks amazing. I love the music too. And just to the left is here, we've got the Aurora Borealis. I mean, I might have butchered that, but this is amazing looking. So you can get you a wee bit of a better view out here. Almost looks underwater there, doesn't it?
I feel like it's underwater. That's really cool.
It is cool, isn't it? I was just heading into a bit called Head in the Stars. It's like tubes filled with lights. Cracking wee light show. and some cool music. It's cool, eh? Let's see if I can get you a wee bit better thingy of the light show. Maybe better outside it here. How amazing is that? There's some people over there just lying down looking up at it, which I think would actually be a correct idea. And you see Natalie's wee eyes there all lit up, with her mad glasses on, loving it.
Feel your freckers.
Can you?
Uh-huh.
I like this one. I think they've got the right idea. See them lying down on the ground? I should just run away from me. And this is our first time over, so we're going to go over the bridge and we're going to go left. And we're heading down towards all that. I see fire down there, Natalie.
There's another satellite.
Looks cool. Now we got another satellite up here, the Russian satellite. Because of course all satellites are Russian, aren't they? No? Okay. I love this wee bridge. Let's get this eerie, alien feel about it this year. Very visual.
Remember, what's that film that I love? The Navigator.
I don't think I've seen the Navigator. So you feel this feels like a Navigator?
Well, we basically watched it together, so I know he's doing it.
Okay. Right, so we're going to go down here to the left. See what's on this way. So this bit here is messages from space. They've obviously got a lot of tumble dryers up there. And apparently if we just look for a wee red bit, we put our ear next to it, we'll get here something.
Get one.
I mean, we really didn't hear much, did we? Let's see, we're going to go to this. Unfortunately, you guys are going to have to just see like the ground or something while you listen to this. It's an alien transmission through all this gobbledygook.
Well, maybe we just don't speak alien in this one.
Oh no, we definitely don't. We'll see if we can get you this one. I mean, unfortunately the camera, they're just going to have to like be seeing the ground and stuff like that. Oh, look at this, this is cool. Sorry if you are seeing woods and ground and like the back of Natalie's jacket very close. Oh. It's pretty cool, all the wee sort of... What are you hearing?
I don't know.
Oh, that's cool. Walking about here, we've got sort of like light up balls here, pretty cool.
Space blueberries.
Space blueberries, is that what you're reckoning these are?
Yes.
Okay, this is space blueberries, everyone. Oh, what was that film we watched? The Abominable?
Abominable.
Aye, and they basically, the blueberries in it, they got massive and then they started like chasing them down the hill. It was pretty cool. We've got a cracking ring of fire here, and I tell you something, see for this distance, we're quite far back, you can actually feel the heat off of that.
It's pretty fiery.
Pretty intense, I think the word is you're looking for.
Close your eyes, you can see it.
So you can. That's cool, isn't it, guys?
I just blinked and I was like, oh goodness.
That'll be like, you'll be seeing that in your sleep tonight.
Oh, it's still happening.
I don't really know what the fire's for. Is this to represent the sun, maybe?
Maybe.
This
I'd
might
say so.
Right, so we'll say this represents the sun. It's pretty cool. I love it with the reflection. And we were right, it is the sun. It's cool.
What's helios?
It says it's the sun. It says the sun represents life in the universe, I think. Just want to give you a wee overview of where we've been. There's the sun. And there's some of the space blueberries Natalie was talking about over there. They look cool, the reflection of water. And there's a wee, in the distance here, is the bridge we just literally came across. It's absolutely amazing in here. See if you guys have never ever been, I'd highly recommend coming next year. But what you'll definitely need to do is you'll need to book in advance, because Tickets actually go on sale, I think it's tonight or tomorrow, and they do sell it quick, very quick. Highly recommended. As you can see, I've lost Natalie again. She's way down there. She's taking hundreds of pictures for Instagram and stuff. Are you loving it? I'm just telling them to book early because I think tickets are already on sale.
Yeah,
and they do sell out.
Sale from next year. Like this is the last day we're on because it was sold out.
This is us just about to watch the water show, which was amazing last year, so we're looking forward to this one. absolutely amazing light show on the water. We're just heading into the next bit in the woods, and look at this. This is so cool. It reminds me of like neon disco or something like that. Isn't it?
When you take a picture, it looks like light travelling, like a
Oh, you've got
sparkler.
the trail. Aye. That's cool, man. Oh, that is cool. I like this bit. And like up there, as you can see it in red, we've got another satellite. This wee bit's cool. I'll get like the alien tentacles here, isn't it?
Like jellyfish.
Ah, is it a wee bit like that? It's pretty cool, but I like it.
Another satellite.
Hey, aye, heading up to that other satellite. That's cool. This show's definitely been a lot more light stroke visual orientated than last year. Last year was a wee bit more sound orientated, although you still had all the light shows and stuff. So coming off the bridge on our second time round, we're going to take the right here and continue on our journey. Still got more to see. We're just about to head into the Cosmic Connection, and apparently these tubes, you can touch them and interact with them and they'll play tunes basically. Obviously we're just going to try and look for ones that haven't got anybody on them. Here's some up here. We've just literally went through the whole thing to try and get to ones, and here's some here. Let's see what they're like. Oh, what can we do? Oh, that's you making all that tunes. Then, oh, you grab the back here like this bit here. See? There you go, Natalie's a musician. They're pretty cool, aren't they? I like them.
This boat noise is my favourite. Do you want a shot?
No, I'm alright. This wee light show here is called Home.